Every day, servicemen and women leave their loved ones behind so that we can return to ours. Sometimes they don't make it back, paying the ultimate price for the freedom that we enjoy. Here at Voltage Firearms, we'd like to help support those who are willing to make that sacrifice, and to those that have. With every purchase made at Voltage Firearms, a portion of that sale will go to a charity that supports the families of those who have fallen. To the veterans and law enforcement of America, along with their families, we would like to say, thank you, and may God bless.